Welcome back to the next tutorial. Today I'll show how you can make the bar chart or bar graph in the Origin software. So for that, first go to your file. Here you can open your project here. Here I have already have my data here, which I will be used to make the bar chart here. So first select this data, and now here you can see the icon here with the different column or bar graph. So here I will use this only column here. So here now you can go to the properties of this graph to make it more representable. Now here you can see the scale, so double click on that. Now you'll see the different icon here with the scale in which you need differentiate with tick levels, title, grids, and line and ticks. So here you can go to the line and ticks, and with the bottom here you can change the thickness of it with the 3 here, and here you may not need the major ticks and the minor ticks, so click on none here. Similarly for the top sections you can show in the line and ticks with making 3 thickness, and you don't need this major and the minor ticks here as well. And for the left one also you can make the 3, and here we don't need the minor ticks, or you can also put it like in figure. And for the next and the right one, for the consistency make the thickness of the 3 here, and for the major and minor you can put none here. So now here apply and click on OK. So now you will see the thickness has been increased here. You can also change the for font here. I will go with the Times New Romans with bold sections, and you can increase the font size as well. For the sample number, make it bold here. Select this one, click it. Similar for the down, you can also bold it here, and again in the source here select this one and increase the font size. So for this legend you may not need, so I will delete it here. And to change the color of this bar chart, you can select it in the bar and double click here it. So now you will see the border line here or the fill color here. So I'll go with the fill color. You can select the single color with the different samples with the different color. So you can also go to the buy points here. You can use the increment line here, and you can apply it. So here you can see the different color for the different sources of water here. Again you can double click here, and you can go to the label. If you want to put any label here, you can put it with you can okay. So here I want to put the label of the sample number, so here you can apply it and okay. So again you can bold it for the better representations. And so in this way you can prepare your bar graph in the origin. And if you don't need this in the vertical as well, you can also make it in the horizontal also. Again with the same process, you can go to the column with here you can see the column plus label, or the you can also go with the bar here. So now it will come it in the horizontal format. Again with the same process, you can change the here color. Double click on this, and here you can go not in the border section, you can go in the fill sections by points here, and just this apply. So for label as well, again with the you can double click and label it and enable it with which you want to label. I want to label here sample number, so apply and okay. So after making this graph, you can export your graph here. So now you can go to the file here. You can click on this icon here. You can see the export graph here. You can open dialog it here. And for the image type, you can put it here with a JPG file or a PNG file. I'll be put here in with the PNG file, and you can give the file name here. For the path here, okay, choose it with here. I will put it with desktop and okay. So similarly, you can see down here with the image setting, your resolution here is the 300. It will be fine. So you can apply, or you can simply do it okay. Graph here, you can see the different at in the accessories here is added, so you can put it here with the simple coding name here to make it more perfect here. So in this way you can make the graph from the origin. Hope you like the video. Thank you for